Hi everyone, I'm Clara and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about French windows. French windows are very large windows, like doors. We can also call it door-sized windows. French windows are very popular in modern house and apartment design. The large area of glass can allow a lot of natural light flow into your living spaces. Many people have asked me, is French windows good feng shui? Well, it all depends on your home layout. If we follow the feng shui principles, it can bring a lot of wealth energy into your home. But if we install it in the wrong place, it could even lead to financial loss. So what are the benefits of French windows in feng shui? In feng shui, the balance of yin and yang are very important and is the key to prosperity. The large glass area of the windows can help attracting a lot of yang energy. If your room is blocked by trees or buildings, and you're not getting enough natural light in your room, installing a French window can be a good choice to brighten up your room and balance yin and yang energy. If your ceilings are low and your living spaces are quite dark, this means there are too much yin energy, which can have negative effects on the health of the people living in the house. Yin and yang imbalance could make people ill and even lead to financial loss, especially for the men of the house. Yang refers to masculine energy, while yin refers to feminine energy in life. Lack of yang energy in the long term can make people feel drained and unmotivated. This is negative for career and wealth luck. So the remedy for this type of house is to install a French window to improve the lighting and create a more balanced and harmonious energy flow. However, not all houses are suitable for French windows. Now I will share with you 6 important feng shui tips. Number 1. Bright living spaces are not suitable for French windows. If you already have lots of windows in your room and receiving a lot of natural light, your yin-yang energy is balanced, so there's no need to install French windows. Too much yang energy is not favorable for wealth luck. Number 2. Do not install too many French windows. Too many French windows means there are lots of flow of energy. This is unfavorable for the wealth luck because you are not able to collect money energy in your living spaces. Number 3. If your bedroom doesn't have a balcony or terrace, do not install French window. The bedroom is the place where you relax and recharge. The energy in the bedroom should be balanced and harmonious. Without an extended balcony or terrace, a French window brings too much yang energy into the bedroom, and this is negative for health. Number 4. French windows are not suitable in the money corner. The money corner is usually located in the living room, and the area should not be too dark or too bright. There should be 2 solid walls behind the money corner in order to collect the money energy. If the money corner has French windows behind, money energy could not be collected, and this is negative for the wealth luck. Number 5. There should not be Sha Qi or killing energy outside the French windows. Since the area of the French windows are large and transparent, any sharp energy outside can directly affect your home feng shui. For example, if you can see a T-junction road, sharp edges, or utility poles, these directions are certainly not the best place to install French windows. Number 6. French windows should be installed in the sectors of the auspicious stars. The auspicious stars are number 1, number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 9. All of these stars are good for health, career, and money, especially the number 8 flying star. Installing a French window in the sector of the number 8 flying star can invite wealth energy into your home. French windows should not be installed in the sectors where the bad stars are located. That is number 2, number 3, number 5, and number 7. These stars are detrimental to the health and wealth luck, especially number 2 and number 5. Installing large windows in these sectors could further activate the negative energy of the bad stars. And please note, the stars I'm talking about here are the 20-year house flying stars. Every house is different. Your house's flying stars will depend on your sitting and facing direction. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.